Here's what you need to know about what is a network bridge. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A network bridge is a Layer 2 device that connects two separate network segments and forwards traffic between them based on MAC addresses. It reduces collision domains by separating segments while still allowing them to communicate. Bridges were the predecessor to modern switches. Key concept: connects two segments. A bridge joins two network segments into one logical network. Devices on both sides can communicate as if they are on the same network, but the bridge filters traffic to reduce unnecessary broadcast across segments. Key concept: MAC address learning. A bridge learns which devices are on which side by recording the source, MAC address of every frame it receives. It builds a MAC address table. When a frame arrives, it checks the table. If the destination is on the same side, it drops the frame, no need to forward. Key concept: reduces collision domains. Each side of a bridge is its own collision domain. This was critical in the hub era. A bridge split a congested hub network into two smaller, less congested segments. Switches are essentially multi-port bridges doing this for every port. Key concept: bridge versus switch. A bridge typically has two ports and operates in software, slower. A switch has many ports and uses hardware, ASICs, for fast forwarding decisions. Modern switches replaced bridges entirely, but bridges are still tested on CompTIA exams. Let's look at the full breakdown. Bridge. Ports, typically two. Processing, software-based. Speed, slower. Use, legacy segment joining. Still used, rarely. Replaced by switches. Switch, ports, 8, 24, 48 plus. Processing, hardware, ASICs. Speed, wire speed forwarding. Use, modern LAN connectivity. Still used, yes, universal. Here's a real-world example. In the 1990s, a company had two floors each with a hub-based network. Both floors were connected with a bridge. Devices on floor 1 could talk to floor 2, but the bridge only forwarded traffic actually destined for the other floor. This doubled effective bandwidth and cut collisions in half. When switches arrived, they replaced both the hubs and the bridge with a single managed switch. Quick recap before you go. 1. Bridges operate at Layer 2 and connect two network segments. 2. Bridges learn MAC addresses and only forward frames when necessary. 3. Each side of a bridge is a separate collision domain. 4. Bridges have two ports and use software forwarding. Switches use hardware ASICs. 5. Modern switches are multi-port bridges and have completely replaced standalone bridges. That's what is a network bridge? Covered. Exam tip: bridges =sign Layer 2, separate collision domains but share broadcast domain. Routers =sign Layer 3, separate both collision and broadcast domains. If an exam question asks which device reduces collisions but still passes broadcasts, the answer is a bridge or switch. Next up, what is a repeater? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.